Ever pulled an all-nighter? Whether it's for work, study, or just binge-watching your favorite show, going 24 hours without sleep can take a real toll on your body and mind. But what actually happens when you don't sleep for a day? After just one sleepless night, your brain starts to slow down. You may struggle with concentration, memory, and decision-making. That's your tired brain at work. Your reaction time drops, making driving or operating machinery dangerous, as if you were legally intoxicated. Studies show that after 24 hours of no sleep, your ability to stay alert is similar to having a blood alcohol level of 0.1%. Ever feel extra grumpy after a bad night's sleep? Sleep deprivation messes with your mood, making you irritable, anxious, or even sad. It's like your emotions are on a roller coaster, with no brakes. Skipping sleep weakens your immune system, making it easier to get sick. Your body also struggles to regulate blood sugar and appetite, increasing the risk of weight gain, high blood pressure, and even heart disease over time. One solid night of sleep can help your body recover, but making sleep deprivation a habit? That's a serious risk to your health. Need better sleep? Try these tips. Stick to a consistent bedtime. Avoid caffeine late in the day. Power down screens before bed. We hope this video was educational. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the sleep department at Enticare if you have any questions.